Okay, boys and girls, we're going to talk a little bit about sound. I have a real quick lesson, and then the website that I'm actually working off of, I gave it to you as a link at the bottom of your Schoology assignment. You could check that out. There's a worksheet that I want you guys to do the best on. There's only 9 questions, and then the answer sheet is on the second page. Okay, so sound, we already know that sound is longitudinal waves. They form from a vibration, so there's an energy source that creates a vibration, and the vibration then moves particles in the air, could move particles in the water, could move particles in a solid back and forth, and that's how sound is generated and how sound moves. Okay, so sounds are created by the back and forth movement, as we know, which are vibrations. Real quick, when they reach your eardrum vibrates, and that's how then you can start to hear. We're not going to go in a lot of detail about the ear right now. We'll talk about that a little bit more detail later on in the chapter. If you remember, when particles are together, they're compressed. When they're compressed, that's called compression. When they're together, rarefaction is when they're far apart. All right, so music. Just know that there's different pitches in music and so forth. Right now we're not going to really talk about that, but what you can do is, if you want to, when you get to the website, you could click on the different links and so forth. So let's talk a little bit about pitch. So pitch is how high or how low a sound sounds to you. So high-pitched sounds are created by higher frequency. So the higher the frequency means that it's going to create a higher sound effect. So if the faster it moves, the sound wave, the higher the pitch it's going to be. The lower the sound wave is it means that it's going to be slower. So if the sound wave is slower when it travels to you, that means then it's going to be a low pitch. If it's high pitched, it's going to travel very quickly. So high pitch, faster, low pitch, slower. All right, echoes. So what an echo is when a sound is reflected back to you. Objects, there was Cookie. Objects like walls and anything like bricks and anything that is solid, what happens is the sound will echo back to you. So walls are very good at echoing, but if it's a soft object or soft surface like a cushion, the sounds will not bounce back. They will be absorbed by the material. All right, loudness. So loudness is how loud a sound sounds to you. So the louder it is, the more amplitude it has. So if you look right here, let me get my pen. Right here, we have a lot of high amplitude. So the higher the amplitude is, the louder it is. The lower the amplitude, the softer it is. So this means that there's more energy right here. And over here, there's less energy. So more energy, louder it's going to be. Okay, so sonar is sound navigation and ranging. So ships use sonar, and sonar is sound. So what they're doing is they send a signal of sound going down, and what it does is it bounces and reflects off the surface and then comes back. And they have a computer then on the ship that's able to map out the sound, and that can help them figure out if the sea floor is close or further away, and it can map the whole ground out for them. Okay, so this is the website that you can go to. I do have that link, and it's a pretty good website. It has different interactive things that you guys could do, like play sounds and stuff like that. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.